Uh, Please tell us your name
My name is Anukul Chandra Jana,
and your roll number.
300478.
Okay, please give us a brief introduction.
My name is Anukul Chandra Jana. I belong to Balesur district. I have completed my post-graduation in forestry, having specialization in natural resources management from College of Forestry, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. I have interest in table tennis playing and gardening, and currently I am preparing for various competitive examinations.
How many departments are there in the Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology?
6 departments, sir. 6 to 7.
Like that in the Utkal University?
Yes, sir.
You have got MA in Oriya, MA in English, MA
Yes, sir.
in
Yes, sir.
Political Science?
Yes, sir.
So like that?
Yes, sir.
So how many departments are there? From which department I am not asking from administrative point of view,
Yes, sir.
from total academic point of view. How many degrees, in which subjects in degrees are awarded by Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology?
Sir, 7, sir, 7.
Pardon?
7, sir, 7.
7, please name it.
Sir, first is veterinary, then agriculture, and then agriculture engineering, and then horticulture, then forestry, and then home science.
Who is the Vice Chancellor of your university now?
Sri Pavan Agrawal, sir. Dr. Professor Dr. Pavan Agrawal. Yes.
Have you read the news report today?
Yes, sir.
So what is the most kindly mention two important news of today?
Sir. Sorry, sir. Currently, I am not
Pardon?
Currently, I am not remembering it, sir.
Currently you are not?
Remembering it, sir.
Yesterday's thing you tell.
Yesterday.
What is the important news
Yes, sir.
now going on?
Yes, sir.
Internationally and nationally.
Contemporary. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, US has completely revoked its troops from Afghanistan. Then Rajiv Kumar has recently appointed as the new election commissioner.
Yes, good.
Then
So is there any price rise which has created havoc in India? And Rajiv Gandhi has made it an issue.
Rahul Gandhi, na?
No, Rahul Gandhi, sorry.
sorry,
Price
sir.
rise in
Pri-
one subject.
Yes, sir.
What is that? In which subject price rise is there from to yesterday?
Sir, maybe petrol, sir.
Petrol and comedy. Petrol has released.
Yes.
5 paisa, 10 paisa.
Yes, sir.
Gas cylinder.
Yes.
Yes, cylinder.
25 rupees or something per cylinder.
Yes, sir.
So you belong to Balesur district.
Yes, sir.
So which are other border districts of Balesur?
Sir, Mayurbhanj, then Bhadrak, and then Keonjhar. And West Bengal is border to Balesur.
From historical point of view, Balesur is very important.
Yes, sir.
As far as medieval literature history is concerned.
Yes, sir.
So will you please mention that? Why for Balesur is found its place in the history of Odisha?
Sir, it's a medieval point of view. Historical point of view. So Balesur was a part of Bengal's presidency, and it was separated from Bengal in the year of 1880.
No, I am not interested in that.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of Balesur?
Sir, it was the British East India Company has established first factory in Balesur, and also then they have established first settlement in Balesur, and as it is a coastal district, so it was used as a port.
Was Balesur a port?
Sir,
Was Balesur a famous port in
no,
Indian navigation history?
no, sir, but they are using it was as close to West Bengal, so collectively the area was under them. Part of this Bengal presidency, it was used as a
Okay, okay. Very good.
fort.
Sir.
Give me one famous temple of Baleshwar district.
Sir, Panchalingeshwar temple,
Nilagiri.
Nilagiri, yes. Nilagiri Jagan
Baleshwar, tell me, Baleshwar.
in Baleshwar. So, Khirochara Gopinath in Remuna.
Yes.
Then
What is the special dish prepared there? Yesterday we
Khira is prepared from there.
The Rasavali is prepared.
Yes, sir.
What is natural regeneration? Difference between natural regeneration and artificial.
So, natural regeneration is a type of regeneration in which the seeds are germinated by itself, whereas in case of artificial regeneration, there is human interference is there. The special treatments are given to the seeds, or maybe in different types of methods like vegetative propagation also done, or micropropagation. These are called as the
Where land is where? Artificial regeneration, where you will do regeneration?
so at that place, sir.
At that first place.
Artificial regeneration is done from outside the
Outside the
forest area, sir.
On vacant land.
On vacant land or a wild area or wasteland area along the roadside plantation.
Side of the road.
Yes, sir.
By seedlings.
Yes, sir. By preparing nursery, sir.
Nurseries, after that seedlings.
Seedlings, yes, sir.
And the natural regeneration inside the forest nature.
Inside the forest naturals.
What are the important ecological factors which influence the growth of the natural regeneration?
Sir, ecological factors like soil, climate, and topographic factors, sir.
But what is the climate?
Climatic factor.
Tell me the details of the climatic factors, of the details.
Yes, sir. Sir, rainfall, sunlight, temperature, humidity, relative humidity.
What is the difference between the climate and weather?
So climate is a weather for a long period of time, and weather is a particular short period of weather.
Short period of
Yes,
time.
sir, short period of time.
Tell me 2 or 3 forest types in India, Odisha. Different forest types.
Yes, sir.
For a general interest.
General interest. Yes, sir. Sir, tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, and littoral and swamp forest, which is mangrove, comes under this, and tropical semi-evergreen forest also found here.
What is mangrove forest?
So mangrove forest are the littoral forest which are grown under the high tides of the sea.
Tell me 2 species of mangrove forest.
Sir,
Botanical name.
Rhizophora mangle, Abyssinia species, Eritrea species, and
Tell me one forest having mangrove forest. Tell me the forest containing mangrove forest.
sir, Sundarban forest
In Odisha.
in Odisha, Bhitarkanika, sir. Bhitarkanika.
Tell me the important wildlife found there.
Sir, crocodiles, saltwater crocodile found there.
What are the other types of crocodiles besides saltwater?
Magar, sir, and Ghadial, sir.
Another one important wildlife is there. It's famous.
Yes, sir. Olive ridley turtle,
There is migratory.
Gair Mata sanctuary.
Inside.
Yes, sir. Inside Bhitarkanika.
They come from that America.
Yes, sir.
Coast. And it is famous for bars also.
Birds and birds.
Bars. How can you improve the tree? How can you
Yes.
improve the tree qualitatively?
Yes, sir. By genetically crossing the tree from superior tree, we can improve the tree, and superior tree having the high yield, high growth, and having the high vigor. These are the tree, plus tree. This is called a plus tree, and
The plus tree is separate.
separate. These are
You have to collect the seeds from the plus
seeds
tree.
from a plus tree.
That will be there, but scientifically,
Yes, sir.
that
Breeding, sir.
breeding
is it, sir. Yes, sir.
What is JMN?
So joint forest management, sir, it is the management of the forest. it is done by the forest department along with the tribal people or local people. The local people who are living inside the forest, they also participate in the scientific forest management along with the forest department.
Even not inside the forest, living by the side of
Side
the
of the
forest.
forest. Yes,
Villages?
sir. Side of the nearer to
villages forest is there.
yes, sir. Yes.
How many do you know how many number of JFMs are there in Odisha? Approximately, you know?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware, sir.
Around 11,000. 10,700, 10,800.
Yes, sir.
Around 11,000 JFMs in Odisha.
Yes, sir.
What is watershed?
So watershed is a catchment area where the water comes from the side and collected there.
Water comes from the
Water collected from the various streams or rivers.
yes, yes. What will the last portion of the watershed? What will be drained out?
Drained out last portion of the watershed.
Where it will be?
Catchment area, sir. Catchment the from where?
जो पानी का कोटी मिसी हो जाएगी streams
Streams.
rivers सेड़ा मिसी जो सबो
Yes, sir.
how can you manage the watershed of a place? Watershed management is there.
Yes, sir.
There is a national watershed mission.
Yes, sir.
What is that important things you do?
Sir, by planting tree or around the watershed so that the yes, sir.
Again another one.
Sir, by controlling the anthropogenic
Anthropogenic is everywhere.
yes, sir.
Without controlling the anthropology,
By controlling-
anthropogenic factor, how will you control?
Yes, sir. Grazing,
Soil conservation.
soil
So
conservation.
speed
Yes,
of
sir.
the water will be controlled.
Yes, sir.
Water holding capacity will be more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay? What is a tranquilization?
So tranquilization is a process in which the wild animals are captured by giving anesthesia like injections so that they can be captured like wild, suppose
What
tiger.
is the need?
Suppose a wild animal like tiger or lion, they cannot be captured so that they will
Then
harm.
why they will be captured?
So captured for the research purpose, maybe for maybe translocation or research purpose, they are tranquilized.
Can you remember two tigers have been relocated from Madhya Pradesh to Odisha?
Yes, sir.
Name can you?
Yes, sir. One is Mahadev, which is male, and another is Sundari, which is female. The Mahadev tiger has died.
Now?
No, sir. Mahadev tiger has died.
Mahadev, Mahabir.
Sorry, sir. Mahavir tiger has died, and the Sundari tiger is tranquilized and sent back to its original place, which is Kanha Forest Reserve.
What is predator?
So predator is a relationship between the two organisms in which one eat upon the another.
Tiger is a predator or predated upon. Tiger,
So tiger is a predator, sir.
predator.
Yes, sir.
In which in the food chain where it will stand?
So top of the food chain, sir.
Which pollution is most dangerous? Which type of pollution is most dangerous?
Sir, air pollution.
2 days back, there is a paper, it has come
Yes, sir.
that air pollution reduces the longevity of human beings.
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
How many years? You have an idea?
Sir, no, sir, exactly no, sir.
What is an idea?
Approximately.
Because 40% of Indians,
Yes, sir.
they lose 9 years
9 years. Yes, sir.
due to
Near-
air pollution
Yes,
in India.
yes,
Hello?
yes, sir.
Do you know what is carbon sequestration?
Yes, sir. So carbon sequestration is a process in which the carbon dioxide, which is present in the atmosphere, which is a form of carbon, is stored in the plants, higher plants or ocean, so that this will reduce the pollution of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
You are doing your doctorate in that
No, sir, postgraduate. Postgraduate, sir.
Natural resources management.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between natural resources found in a forest?
So forest is also a
Leave forest
Forest,
wildlife,
yes, sir.
leave this forest back.
Yes, sir. Other, sir, soil is a natural resources, air is a natural resources, and
ତଳେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? What is found inside the soil? Underground ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି?
water reserve,
Minerals.
minerals also naturally. Yes, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes, sir.
Revenue earning department of government of Odisha.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Mineral resources.
Minerals ka
Yes sir.
minerals
Great
use
research is.
Tell me 5 important minerals found in Odisha.
Sir, bauxite, then iron ore sir.
Iron or iron ores?
Iron is ore sir, in form of ore it is released. Then coal mines are there, and majorly sir these are found.
बहुत दूर से होता How can you control how can you contain
Yes sir.
the movement of wild animals from a forest? Contain.
Sorry sir, I couldn't understand.
But wild animals गुड़ा जंगल भीतर अछंती.
Yes sir.
They are coming outside the forest,
Yes sir.
causing havoc.
Yes sir.
Corridors are there, management करेगा बोलो कि
Yes, sir.
contain की जंगल भीतर में रखिया.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
What are the methods? Tell me
Sir.
1, 2, 3. Point wise tell me.
Sir, point wise they are providing their habitat, suitable habitat.
Agree.
Then
Maintaining the habitat.
maintaining habitat. Then providing their water requirement, water hole, food. Then third is shelter, providing their shelter. Then also human interference should be reduced there.
Reduce करा
Yes sir. Then
The food कौन what type of food you will supplement?
sir, natural food like if they are herbivorous animals, so the plants they prefer to eat. So these plants should be planted.
Prefer करती.
Bamboo sir, one of the
Bamboo plantation
bamboo plantation will be there.
How कौन? Agricultural crop कौन करिया पड़ेगा जे agricultural post graduate.
No sir,
Agriculture crop कौन कले elephant टा जंगल भीतर रहिबो को प्रकार plantation करिबा हम. अच्छी अन्य फॉरेस्ट अच्छी सब मक्का बड़ा करछि.
मक्का sorry
मक्का
कर
बाहरे कौन कले एलिफेंट ना खाइबेनी को जमीन रे कौन चाष कले बाहरे फॉरेस्ट बाहरे एलिफेंट का खादिनी को चाषटा
sorry sir, I am not.
हळदी चाष
हळदी।
हळदी बड़ा करछि
Yes,
सब
sir.
लंका
Yes sir.
लंका चाष कले बड़ा पचारिबे सब काला विशेष एग्रीकल्चर ग्रेजुएट पचारिबे
Sir, forest is
हळदी लंका एरा खाइबेनी
yes sir.
आउ कोन गोटे नुवा सीड कहिबे जो सीड गुडा कले हे जो चाष कले सेही सीडटा हाथी खाइबुनी हे सीडटा ना कोन को
Sorry sir, I am
ओंड सीड
pond
सुकिया सुको AWNED
on the seed sir.
माने गोटे ए जो धान गुडा
Yes sir.
जो धान गुडा जे कोटा कोटा लेके बाहरियो
Yes sir.
एडा खाइले तंत्रे लागियो
Again sir.
सो ओंड सीड मिलुची विद्याधरपुर फार्म रे
Again sir.
एबा किलो गुडा 30 टका 40 टका 100 टका
Again.
गोटे थोर खाइले
Again sir.
ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ
ଆଉ
ଥର
ଖାଇବେନି
ଏମିତି ମାଡ଼ିବନି।
Again sir.
Can you tell me the important sanctuary found in your district?
Sir, Kuldia Wildlife Sanctuary.
Yeah, why it is famous for?
Sir, it is famous elephant,
Elephant, mostly elephant.
mostly elephants.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
सब तुम्हारा प्रेजेंटेशन सब ठीक अछि.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है ये स्टेट टिके ओशो टिके माने टिके
Sir, like
स्टाइल है सब ठीक अछि. और जनरल नॉलेज तक देखियो.
again sir.
न्यूज गुडा बर्तमान सब दिन
Again.
इंटरनेशनल और नेशनल इंपोर्टेंट न्यूज गुडा देखियो.
Again sir.
ଆଉ ଯୋଉଦିନ ତମେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କୁ ତମେ କେବେ ଅଛି?
Sir, 4th of September, 4 तारीख sir. ପରଦିନ sir.
କାଲି ଟିକେ ରାତିରେ ତମେ ଶୋଇବା ଆଗରୁ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଟାକୁ ଦେଖିଦେବ, ଟେଲିଭିଜନ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଟା କ'ଣ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି.
Yes sir.
ଆଉ ନିର୍ଭୟରେ ନିର୍ଭୀକ ଭାବରେ ଦେବ, ତମର ଗୋଟେ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍.
Thank you sir. Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you.